And we're gonna apply it. Facebook see okay. Really thin coat. You don't want to be like really super thin, like really thin. You know, I mean, thin coat is mean that is coating on it. You don't want to missing any spot. You also don't want over like filling it, because you don't want your crystal to just running everywhere during the time you're doing your crystal placement. So if you get the first time, you're, oh my gosh, Nancy is flooding all over my crystal. So then it means you apply a little bit extra or too much of your condensed glue gels and the wet top coat. So next time you add a little bit less, you will see that it's going to be so much better. So we're all going to apply no wet top coat. Thanks so much, Beatrice. And we're on a floating on the top. I'm floating it mean you don't want to do is really press so too hard, because it's going to pull your condensed glue gel. Your condensed glue gel is not keying right now, so it's still wet underneath, which is going to completely key after we place it under LED light. The purpose of it, your condensed glue gels and no white top coat will definitely grab around your crystal, the base of your crystal, and then keep your crystal is not only is one anchor secure on the nails, and it's also double secure on it. And then we're gonna go into with the Bessie like a triple secure. It's gonna make it so much better. So now with this one, you decide to do, if you want to do right here in the smile line, you can do in the cuticle area, or you can do is like however you would like. You can do is a couple of your crystal AB 1, 2, 3. I just want to show us a lot of different options, so then you can able to offer your clients. So I'm gonna using super cute triangle and then angle rectangle from ours 90,000 followers crystal kit. So obsessed with this, because those 90,000 follower crystal kits, this was really special designs for will be fill in, and also can be independent itself, you can see, and then it can be fill in to a lot of ours crystal kits, which is that we have a crystal kit number 1 and number 2, high quality with its really special coats for glitz crystals, and also they are paired together perfectly. So if you get chance to see all the videos we did, feel free to check them out. They're all there for you for free, so you can able to enjoy, and hope extra videos will bring some cool tip and trick for you and your business, for all of you who is in the nail industry, and then for all of you who thinking to be a nail technician. And there's a lot of inspiration, there are a lot of support here, so then you can able to achieve so much of successful. And thanks so much for the love and the support. We couldn't be here without every single of you. So this is the give back to our communities, and I'm so excited. Every single live video, I'm so excited and obsessed with different designs I got to create it for you. You all is my inspirations with a lot of great and talents ideas, and thank you so much, and keep up the good work, and just remember, just be you, and you will see the massive difference. So I have a little bit of a wax residues on my crystals. I will wipe it off after we're done with the keyring. I'm not doing it right now because it's gonna remove it, because it's hold on really well on the top of the no white top coat and condensed glue gel, so I'm not going to touch it. But you see that how every time I move, I just switch the, instead of wax, you know, so I'm using the wax end to pick all the crystal, and I'm turning on my dot 2 to adjusting it as I need. So happy with this. We are going to key for 60 seconds, and then we are going to using ours precision glue gels after.